So here we're gonna discuss about the classification based on symmetry. As in the previous video, we have discussed about classification based on numbers of tissue levels. So let's see classification based on symmetry. So first of all, here we have some talks like the simplest animals like sponges. Sponges belongs to phylum Porifera. Have many representative. Those bodies are irregular and variable shape. So called it asymmetrical. Now let me tell you what actually asymmetrical are. Asymmetrical are those sorry. Asymmetrical are those who have the irregular shape, who have irregular shape, or you can say variable. Fine. After that, these are the asymmetrical who have irregular shape and are very variable in shape. For example, here we have example of that can be sponges. Sponges which belongs to phylum Porphyria, those are irregular in shape, or we can say amoeba. Amoeba is the best example. Amoeba, fine. After that, here we have the eumetozoa. Eumetozoa is one type of symmetry which is divided into two major groups on the basis of what? Body symmetry. What? Eumetozoa. Let me write here. Eumetozoas. Now, eumetozoas are divided into two groups. Divided into two groups on the basis of what? On the basis of symmetry. On the basis of symmetry, these are divided into two groups. Fine. So here we have what? Number one is the members of phylum Cnidarians have radial have what? Have radial symmetry, and group is called as radiata. The phylum, like you can say phylum Cnidarians, those have what? Those have radical symmetry. Radical symmetry means from the center. Radical symmetry. So that's why those groups are named as radiata. Those groups are named as those groups are named as radiata. Okay, after that here what we have, a radial animal is what? Those have top and bottom, or we can say oral or abnormal, but no head and right left. Let me draw the picture so that it will be clear to you. Fine. Here we have what? This is the central axis, and here this is what? Here we have, sorry, here we have the central only axis on which this plane is fixed. So here as you can see, those have only top and those have only bottom. But here we do not have any any rear end and no left and right, because this is in the circle round, so we do not have any left or right. After that, another group of eumetozoa are bilateral symmetry. Let me write here. Another group is bilateral symmetry. Now, what actually this group is? A bilateral symmetry is a group in which we have what? Only dorsal top side and ventral bottom side, but it also have the head and posterior tail, and it has right and left sides too. So let me tell you what actually this is by drawing the picture. Here we have an insect. Leave my diagram. This is what this I have drawn in the rough diagram of insect. So here as you can see in the insect we have left side, we have right side, here it is the anterior side, here we have posterior side, posterior side, and so this is the bilateral symmetry which have left